Hello everyone, this is Jirka from Reawote.com, and in this short tutorial I will show you how to install our new plugin for Cinema4D. So after you download the file, you simply extract the file and run the installer. It's really simple, and once the installation is finished, you can open Cinema4D, and in the extensions tab you can find Reawote PBR loader. So this is basically how it works. It's really simple, and if you want to remove the PBR loader from Cinema4D, you can go to the local disk C, find program files, and under program files you can find Maxon Cinema4D folder. Inside is plugins folder, and here you can find our Reawote PBR loader. So you can delete it from this folder, and that's it. You removed this plugin from Cinema4D. So thank you for your watching. I hope you will enjoy this plugin and it will help you to quickly upload our materials to your project, and stay tuned for next updates.